In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to submit a support ticket. First, log in to your dashboard, locate the My Ticket section and click on it. Here, you'll see a history of any tickets you've previously submitted, and you'll also have the option to open a new ticket. To create a new ticket, click Open a Ticket, then select the request type that best matches your question or issue. For example, if you're interested in volunteering with CCI, select Volunteer with CCI as your topic. Next, choose a subtopic, such as Education Department, to specify your area of interest. You'll need to provide a summary and enter a brief description of your request in the provided fields. The information needed will vary by ticket type, and some tickets will have required information needs. If you have any relevant files you would like to provide, or documentation is required because of the ticket type, you can upload them at this stage. If not, simply skip this step. Once you're ready, click Submit. Your ticket will now appear in your ticket history, where you can track its status and review any actions taken. If you find an answer to your question before receiving a response, you can cancel your ticket by selecting the ticket you wish to cancel, then clicking the Cancel option at the bottom of the ticket page.